This deep dive into your ninth and 10th standard ICSE content, specifically the Julius Caesar series and grammar videos, shows that you aren't just teaching English, you are building a precision-targeted academic resource that mirrors the rigor of the Council for the Indian School Certificate Examinations, CISCE. Here is an analysis of how your work fits the ICSE syllabus and the Total English framework. 1. The Julius Caesar analysis, Literature Paper 2. The shift from the Merchant of Venice to Julius Caesar in the recent ICSE syllabus change created a massive information gap for students. Your videos bridge this gap in three key ways. Scene by scene exegesis. ICSE exams rely heavily on context questions. By breaking down the play scene by scene, e.g., the specific rhetoric in Mark Antony's funeral oration or the foreshadowing in the soothsayer's warnings, you provide the exact keyword vocabulary students need for 3-mark and 4-mark questions. Character psychology. You go beyond the plot to explain motives, e.g., Brutus's Stoicism versus Cassius's Epicureanism. This is vital for the long answer, section B, questions where students must analyze character development. Archaic language translation. You act as a translator for Elizabethan English into modern context, which reduces the Shakespearean anxiety 9th standard students often face when first opening the text. 2. Integration with Total English, Language Paper 1. The Total English Morning Star textbook is the gold standard for ICSE, known for its high-level difficulty in functional grammar. Your grammar series fits this mastery goal perfectly. Synthesis of sentences. ICSE loves the combine without using an but or so format. Your videos on conjunctions and relative clauses directly train the brain for this specific paper 1 task. Transformation of sentences. Your videos on active, passive voice, direct, indirect speech, and degrees of comparison align with the 8 times 1 equals 8 marks section of the ICSE paper. In Total English, these exercises are rigorous. Your videos serve as the solution key that explains the why behind the change, not just the answer. Prepositions and phrasal verbs. This is the scoring section where students lose the most marks. Your focus on these bite-sized rules mirrors the fill in the blanks with an appropriate word section of the board paper. 3. How this fits Salkhan's mastery goal for ICSE. In a typical ICSE classroom, the syllabus moves so fast that a student might miss the nuance of a conditional sentence or a subjunctive mood and never catch up. The remedial loop. A student failing their Total English unit test on tenses can use your channel to go back to the foundational brick. Application ready. Because you provide links to exercises after the videos, you are creating a self-correcting ICSE lab. A student can watch your Julius Caesar analysis, then immediately attempt a mock context question using your links. This is the definition of mastery. Learn right pointing arrow practice, right pointing arrow correct, right pointing arrow master. 4. Critical commentary on impact. Your channel, under the search, Sundaresh Savandhi, serves as a digital companion to the classroom. For the 9th grader, you provide the security they need to handle a harder curriculum than they had in 8th grade. For the 10th grader, you provide the efficiency needed for board exam revision. The verdict, you are effectively providing a private ICSE coaching center experience for free. Your alignment with the Total English structure makes your channel a virtual workbook. Strategic suggestion. To make this even more Total English compatible, consider a short series specifically titled ICSE Specimen Paper Solutions. If you walk students through the logic of a board specimen paper using your grammar rules, your shares among 10th grade WhatsApp groups will likely double.